Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be making a cream that will lift, tighten and tone the butt in no time. Now this cream is made up of some ingredients that are known to help with lifting and tightening. So if you're interested in this video, continue watching. Now to begin, we have two options. We have some petroleum jelly and we also have some coconut oil, 100% pure coconut oil. So choose either petroleum jelly or coconut oil for your base. Today I'm going to be using some petroleum jelly. Our next ingredient is vitamin E oil, and vitamin E oil is great for the skin. It's going to be able to penetrate the skin, therefore it will help when you massage to lift and tone and tighten. I'm also going to be using some fish oil. If you do not have fish oil, don't be afraid to use some cod liver oil. I'm also going to be using some castor oil in this recipe, and this is black castor oil. If you have the other kind, like the white one, that is still good to use in this recipe. Our final ingredient in this recipe is essential oil. You can use essential oil of your choice, such as lavender oil. However, today I'm going to be using some sweet orange essential oil. So now we're going to put this together, and I'm going to use about a tablespoon of petroleum jelly. For my vitamin E oil, this is 28,000 IU, so I'm going to use about 5 drops. If you're using regular vitamin E oil capsule, go ahead and use about 3 or 4 in this recipe. So we're going to do 4 drops, and that's about good. For our castor oil, I'm going to be using a half a teaspoon of castor oil, and that's good. For our fish oil, now I'm going to use about 3 of our fish oil, and to extract you can use a pin and just stick the capsule, make a small dent and just squeeze. Out of 1 capsule you're going to get about 3 to 4 drops. Just squeeze. And here are the empty shells. And now we're going to mix this together. Slowly blend it in. And take your time. Just work this ingredient in. Now if you're using coconut oil, use 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So just mix, blend this thoroughly. Now if you want to make more of this, you can double up on the ingredient. Once this is done, we're going to add our essential oil, and I'm adding about 4 drops of our sweet orange essential oil. Remember to use essential oil of your choice. I personally just like the smell of the sweet orange essential oil. And then you're going to do your blending again. Just mix well. Now once this is ready, you can store this on your countertop. You can have this up to about 6 months. This have a very long shelf life. Here it is. This is your cream for lifting and toning the butt. Now you can pour this in a airtight container for storing, or you can choose to keep it in the container that you make it with. Just cover it tightly with a plastic. Now to use this, you're going to take a little and you're going to apply it to your butt. Now what you're going to do, you're not going to be doing it downwards. You're going to apply it upwards, massage it upwards, okay? So you're going to press a little firmly and massage it upwards. Now you want to do this for about 5 minutes, because you're adding not only the cream, but you're also adding some massaging technique to the area for blood flow. Now once this is done, you're going to leave it on your skin. You can wear it over overnight, wear it as often as you wish. Along with using this cream, for best result, you want to do some squats. Now you could start out on day 1 with 10 squats and all the way up to 2 weeks. Each day you had 5 extra squats. Now make sure to apply your cream just before you do your squats, and within 2 weeks you're going to notice a huge difference to your butt. It's going to be more lifted, more toned, and basically ready to go. Just continue to do this over and over, or continue to keep adding 5 extra squats per day, and within a month you're going to be really and truly happy. So there you have it, my wonderful, quick and easy butt cream for lifting and toning your butt in 2 weeks.